if you not shopping with Vicrez, bro, I don't know what you doing. I'm telling you, like, hands down, bro, they got some of the best selection of quality parts that you can find, bro. Like, hands down. Wide by the kicks, wide by the wheels, steering wheels. Matter of fact, they hooked your boy up with a steering wheel. You feel what I'm saying? So everybody been talking about me on Snapchat like, hey, bro, you need to get rid of that steering wheel, bro. So it's time to change it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do it myself. And I ain't going to lie to you, bro. If you go buy you a steering wheel, just pay somebody, because I'm telling you, this shit, bro, I'm telling you, shit, not no game. And also, bro, man, these folks charging like $300 for SRT airbags. Bro, go to the TikTok shop. I'm telling you, $50 gonna get you in the game with the SRT airbag. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. This shit is a fucking hassle. Bro, like, I ain't gonna lie, this shit like a puzzle, bro. It took me like 2 hours to figure out all this damn gadgets and shit that come behind the heating steering. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, but when I got that sucker in, boy, you can't tell me. I'm missing my little pieces right there in the corners because I'm gonna paint them pink. But, hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. This dope.